હાય હેલો ડોક્ટર.
હલો હલી કેમ છે?
બસ મજામાં સર.
મજામાં?
ઓલ ગુડ ઓલ ગુડ.
ઓકે.
બોલો બોલો સર.
બસ
શું છે, કેક લેવું છે, પેસ્ટ્રીઝ લેવી છે, શું ફંક્શન છે
આજે એનિવર્સરી ડે છે અમારો.
ઓ નાઇસ, એનિવર્સરી છે.
હા
તો અંકલ કઈ રીતનું આપું, શું ક્વોન્ટિટી, 500 ગ્રામ 1 કિલો?
હા એટલે 500 ગ્રામ
500
કરો ને.
ગ્રામ
હા હા
ઓકે. પ્યોર ચોકલેટ જ જોઈએ છે 0%?
હા પ્યોર ચોકલેટ હાર્ટ શેપમાં.
હાર્ટ શેપ.
હા હા
ઓકે 5 મિનિટ્સ આપો મેં તમારે.
હા હા ઓકે ઓકે હા હા
લો સર, આ તમારું 500 ગ્રામ
ઓહો.
ચોકલેટ હાર્ટ શેપ કેક
Okay.
વિધાઉટ ક્રીમ, બેલ્જિયમ
હા.
ટ્રફલ ફ્લેવર છે.
વેરી નાઇસ, થેન્ક યુ અલી.
વેલકમ વેલકમ
હા
ડોક્ટર.
હા કેટલા વર્ષથી આપણી શોપ ચાલે છે? મોર્નિંગ
મોર્નિંગ 10 years થઈ ગયા સર.
10 years. Oh,
10
good.
years થઈ
Nice,
ગયા.
nice. Okay, thank you.
ઓકે સર, વેલકમ.
Thank you.
Discuss about the origin of cake and its importance in
In
celebrations
celebrations.
under the guidance of Dr. Manu Parmar sir, in the HOD and HOD of Department of Psychiatry. The origin of cake from bread to confection. The word cake comes from the old Norse word kaka, but the earliest version of cake were nothing like what we eat today. Ancient Egypt, the pioneers, the ancient Egyptians were the first culture to show advanced baking skills. They made sweet bread by adding honey, nuts, and dry fruits to basic dough. However, these were structurally much closer to sweet, dense breads than modern cakes. The candles, they placed lit candles on the cake to make it glow like the moon. The smoke from the candles was believed to carry their prayers and wishes up to the gods in the heavens. The direct origin of making a wish before blowing out your candles. Candle fest in 15th century Germany, this tradition evolved into candle fest, a birthday celebration for children. A candle was lit for each year of the child's life, plus one extra life candle representing the hope of living another year. Why cake is essential to celebration? We don't just eat cake because it tastes good. We eat it because it carries centuries of ritualistic meaning. Here is why cake became the centerpiece of our most important milestone. First, birthday cakes and candles. We owe the birthday cake tradition to the ancient Greeks. To honor Artemis, the goddess of the moon and the hunt, they baked round cakes sweetened with honey to represent the full moon. Second, a symbol of sharing and community. Historically, sugar, butter, and fine flour were exceedingly expensive luxury items. Serving a cake was the ultimate status symbol and a way to show guests utmost hospitality. Because a cake is baked as a single, large entity and then sliced into pieces, the act of cutting and sharing a cake inherently symbolizes community, equality, and unity among those celebrating together. I will end this session with a beautiful quote: layers of joy, slices of sweetness, and a sprinkle of happiness. Indulge in the delicious moment life has to offer. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Hardika.